Welcome to TaxTank Tutorials. To register for your 14-day free trial, simply visit the TaxTank website and select Start a Free Trial. If you're an individual taxpayer wanting to register, select the Individual button. Otherwise, if you're an accounting firm or an advisor group, select the relevant button to register an account to manage your team and clients. For individuals, simply enter your first name, last name, and email address. Then your password and password confirm before selecting Create an Account. You'll then receive an email confirmation to your inbox within a few seconds. Once you receive the email, select the Verify Email Address button, which will confirm your address and return you to the login screen. You can then log in to start using TaxTank. The first time you log into TaxTank, you'll see a pop-up to select your income types. The income types are work, property, business for sole trader income, and holdings for shares and crypto. Simply select the incomes that are relevant to you and start using TaxTank to be redirected to the main dashboard. Immediately, you will see a checklist pop up in your bottom right-hand corner. This checklist is relevant to the income types selected on the previous screen to ensure a customized onboarding experience. You can visit our support center for more videos like this at any time.